If you want to make 5 stitches out of one, but keep it centered, this is a really good way of doing it. So the first one is like a cable cast on. You're going in between this first stitch, wrapping the yarn and pulling it through. Because we want this to be our central stitch, we'll now move that over to the left needle, go in between these 2 stitches, wrap the yarn, so basically knitting backwards, pull this through, and that's your extra stitch. Now, because we want to keep it around this, we're now going to move this stitch back over so we can do our next increase on this side. Wrap the yarn around, pull it through, move that central stitch over, and now for our final increase, we'll do it on this side again. Go in between the 2 of these, wrap the yarn, basically knitting backwards, pull this stitch through, and pop it on. Now this was the first one that was made, so we'll move this over. And now you can see how the 1 stitch that you had here, you now have 5 stitches blooming out from that 1 stitch.